Assalamualaikum everyone. We are back with a new video. This is the first day of the healthy sweet recipe. Today's recipe is my favorite recipe, chocolate brownie recipe, but without sugar. Now let's start the recipe. Now my mom take one bowl and mash one banana. Now add one egg and mix it up. After mixing, now my mom is adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal flour, and half teaspoon of baking powder. That's it. You only need 5 ingredients for this recipe. If you want to know how to make oatmeal flour, then watch our shorts. We will upload the video on our shorts. Now our batter is almost ready. Put your batter in a microwave safe bowl. Now my favorite part is adding chocolate on the top. Now put the bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes. Your healthy brownie is ready. If you like my video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.